Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.3 question number 3 part 3rd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows consistent system, inconsistent system and consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solution. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication methods. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution methods. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is a very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.3. Question number 3. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. By substitution methods. Third, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for Rs 3800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for Rs 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. According to first situation, the cost of 7 bats and 6 balls equal to 3800. According to second situation, the cost of 3 bats and 5 balls equal to 1750 rupees. You find the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball by the help of substitution methods. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the board. Let the cost of one bat equal to x. Cost of 1 bat equal to x and cost of one ball equal to y. Cost of one bat equal to x, cost of one ball equal to y. Then according to first situation, cost of 7 by equal to 7x, 7 ball. Cost of 6 balls equal to 6 y. Then 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. Equation first. 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. Clear? Equation first. You can write it here. Then 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. Equation first. It is equation first. And according to second situation, cost of 3 bats and 5 balls. 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. Equation second. It is equation first and it is equation second. It is clear? No confusion about it. Now by the help of equation second, by the help of equation second, 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. You can write plus 5y on the right side of equal. Clear? It becomes 3x equal to 1750 minus 5y. You can write it as x equal to 1750 minus 5y upon 3. It is the value of x. You find the value of x. Here 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. You write plus 5y on right side of equal. Then it becomes 3x equal to 1750 minus 5y. Here plus 5y, when you write it on right side of equal, then it becomes minus 5y. Hence x equal to 1750 minus 5y by 3. You find the value of x. Clear? Now you substitute the value of x in equation first. Substituting equal to 1750 minus 5y by 3 in equation first. Equation first. In equation first. Here it is equation first. Clear? 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. Now you put the value of x equal to 1750 minus 5y by 3 in the place of x. Here it becomes 7 multiply 1750 minus 5y by 3 plus 6y by 1 equal to 3800. You can write it by 1. Clear? Here you multiply by 7. You multiply by 7 and 1750 minus 5y. Clear? It become 12,250 minus 335y by 3 plus 6y by 1 equal to 3800 by 1. Clear? You can take here LCM. Of all, LCM of all, 3, 1 and 1. Here you divide 3 by 3, it become 1. 1 multiply by 12,250 minus 335y. It become 12,250 minus 35y plus 3 divided by 1, it become 3. 3 multiply by 6, it become 6 3 ja 18y equal to, now you multiply by 3. Here you divide 3 by 1, you find 3. 3 multiply by 3800, it become 11,400. It is clear? Now you can write it 12,250 minus 35y plus 18y equal to 11,400. Clear? You can write it as clear. Here you can write minus 35y. Here minus 35y and here plus 18y. You can subtract it and you write 1235 on right side of equal. Clear? It become, here you subtract it, it become minus 17y equal to, here plus 18y minus 35y equal to 17y minus 17y, because here minus sign. Clear? Here you can write equal to 11,400 minus 12,250. 12,250. You subtract it, it become minus 17y equal to, here you subtract it, it is greater with minus sign and it is smaller with positive sign. Clear? You subtract it. It becomes minus 850. You can cut minus and minus. 17y equal to 850. Y equal to 850 upon 17. You can cut it. 17 1 जा, 17 5 जा. Y equal to 50. You find y equal to 50. Now you put the value of y equal to 50 in equation second. Put y equal to 50 in equation second. Put the value of y equal to 50 in equation second. Clear? Here 3x plus 5y equal to 1750 is equation second. Put 3x plus 5 multiply 50 equal to 1750. Here you multiply, it become 3x plus 250 equal to 1750. Now you can write 250 on right side of equal. It become 3x equal to 1750 minus 250. 3x equal to, you subtract it. It become 1500. 3x equal to 1500. X equal to, you can cut it. 3 1 जा 3, 3 5 जा 15, 500. X equal to 500. You find x equal to 500. Here you find y equal to 50 and here you find x equal to 500. Hence cost of 1 byte equal to 500 rupees and cost of 1 ball equal to 50 rupees. You find your answer very easily. You solve your question by substitution method and you find the value of x and y. Value of x equal to 500. It is the cost of 1 byte. You find the value of y equal to 50. It is cost of 1 ball. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.